How is Icon Rocklear different from ceramic coatings? Here's the answer. A ceramic coating is a liquid polymer that's formulated with carrier solvents and ceramic ingredients, including SiO2, TiO2, Teflon, or graphite. The ceramic nanoparticles bond to multiple porous materials including paint, glass, plastic, metals, and polyurethane, like paint protection film or vinyl wraps. As the carrier solvents begin to evaporate, these microscopic nanoparticles fuse to produce a thin yet firm and exceptionally flat surface. Once the ceramic coating cures, it enhances the current condition of the material to which it was applied. For example, if there are tiny scratches in the paint, they will appear much larger. This is why ceramic coating installers typically require paint correction to remove these imperfections prior to coating the vehicle's paint. If a ceramic coating is scratched or water spots etch into the coating, it will likely need to be removed and reapplied. If the scratch is too deep, it will penetrate through the ceramic coating and damage the paint job, leading to expensive repairs. Unlike a ceramic coating, however, Icon Rocklear is not comprised of the same carrier solvents, like SiO2 or other ceramic nanoparticles. It uses a much thicker and denser compound that likewise interlock as the coating is applied and begins to flash. The unique chemistry of this paint protection coating also enables it to fill visible swirls and scratches in the top layer of the paint. If Icon Rocklear is scratched, even if it's keyed, the coating can be repaired through paint correction or polishing of the impacted area, or a simple and quick reapplication. More importantly, the original painted surface and clear coat will remain protected. The end result is that those existing scratches disappear, yet the extreme thickness and clarity of the coated surface make the paint appear much glossier and deeper than ceramic coatings. So if you'd like to learn more about Icon Rocklear or connect with a certified installer in your area, please visit iconrocklear.com.